Welcome. In this video, we're diving into the latest update of the Messenger app on PC, showing you how to send a photo alongside a text message effortlessly. This new feature makes sharing memories with friends and family even more convenient. So, whether you're sending that stunning vacation pic or a funny meme, we've got you covered with some simple steps to follow. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Messenger app. Start by launching the Messenger application on your PC. It's usually just a quick click away on your desktop or in your taskbar. Step 2. Find the conversation you want to send the photo to. Navigate through your chats and locate the conversation where you want to share your photo. This can be a friend or a group chat, whatever suits your sharing needs. Step 3. Open the conversation. Once you've found your desired chat, click on it to bring up the conversation window, where you'll be able to send your message. Step 4. Click on the photo icon or attach a file. Look for the photo icon at the bottom of the chat window. This is where you'll initiate the process of sending your image. Step 5. Find the photo you want and select them all. A File Explorer window will pop up. Browse through your files and choose the photos you wish to send. You can select multiple images if you'd like. Step 6. Write the note you want, then click Send or press Enter. After selecting your photos, add a personal message if you wish. Once you're happy with everything, hit Send or simply press Enter, and voila! Your photos and text will be shared in the chat. That's it, folks. Now you know how to send photos with text on Messenger using your PC. Make the most of this feature and start sharing those precious moments today.